Welcome to e-Semplice, where music theory is simplified. This is a grade 1 music theory video on harmonic minor scales. We shall consider examination questions from Muson exam May 2022, Muson exam May. Briefly, before we consider the questions, what is a scale? A scale is simply a ladder of musical notes. The notes are arranged in patterns of semitones and tones. Scales start and end on the same letter name. If it starts on C, it must end with C. Scales can be ascending or descending. Scales can be written with or without key signatures. You might be required to slow the semitones. Types of scales. For grade 1, you are expected to master only major and minor scales up to 2 sharps and 2 flats. So from this statement, there are basically 2 types of scales for grade 1, major scales and minor scales. But the minor scales are actually of 3 kinds. We have the natural minor, harmonic minor, melodic minor. This video will focus on harmonic minor. Now let's look at some features of harmonic minor scales. That is what makes a scale harmonic in nature. The 7th note or the 7th degree is raised. The ascending and descending scales are the same. That is, whatever you can do on the ascending scale, you can also do in the descending scale. Slows/semitones exist between degrees 2/3, 5/6, 7/8 in the ascending scale, but 8/7, 6/5, 3/2 in the descending scale. For proficiency in writing scales and excellent knowledge of the key signatures in grade 1 is key. Let's take some examples. Let's write D minor harmonic scale, ascending with key signature. So actually, you start by prefixing the key signature of D minor. And the key signature of D minor is B flat. You can see the flat on B. Now the scale is going to be ascending, so it goes from 1 to 8. And remember, the 1st and the 8th note must be the same letter name. You cannot start a scale on, say, letter D and end on letter E, or you start a scale on letter D and end on letter C. the start note must be the same as the end note. So this is a D minor scale, so it will go from D to D. That's D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, and D. Now remember, for a scale to be harmonic, the 7th degree must be raised. Now if you raise C, which is the 7th degree or the 7th note, it becomes C sharp. Let's slur the semitones. Remember, the slurs will be at degrees 2/3, 5/6, 7/8, because this is an ascending harmonic minor scale. Let's take another example. Now we are doing D minor harmonic scale, ascending without key signature. When you write scales without key signature, it means you don't show the key signature at the beginning, but you use accidentals of the key signature on the notes needing them. Now this is without key signature, so there's no key signature at the beginning, and it is an ascending scale, so you go from 1 to 8, then you put the notes D to D. Ensure you do not omit a space or a line when you are writing your scale. If you do, you will not land on the same note on which you started. Now the last note there, note 8, is also a D. Note 1 is D, note 8 is D. Now this is without key signature, so you show the key signature accidental of D major only on the note needing it, and that is B flat. So you just add B. You add a flat to B. And because it is a harmonic scale, you need to raise the 7th note by adding a sharp. And the slurs: 2/3, 5/6, 7/8. Let's proceed. Now we are writing D minor harmonic scale, descending now without key signature. So don't prefix the key signature at the beginning. Only add accidentals to the notes needing it. So we will still go D to D. This is a descending scale, so you go from 8 to 1. You are descending. You go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are descending. Let's add the notes. Remember, you are descending, so you go from D down until you get to D again. Do not omit any line or space, otherwise you won't land on the same letter from where you started. Now this is a descending scale. Remember first to add the key signature accidental to the note needing it. So add a flat to B. And this is a harmonic scale. Raise the 7th note. Now we want to slur the semitones. This is a descending scale, so you are going to slur 8/7. You see, because it's descending, you go 8/7, 6/5, 3/2. Remember to spread your notes out evenly on the staff. Do not choke them. Don't allow them to be too close. Just spread them out evenly. It will make your scale look beautiful and neat. Let's take a past question from Muson exam May 2022. Write the following scale as directed. E harmonic minor ascending with key signature. Let's highlight the requirements. E harmonic minor is a requirement. Ascending, meaning it should be an ascending scale, and you are to write with key signature, meaning prefix the key signature accidentals at the beginning. Now let's start. E minor. I hope you know the key signature accidentals in E minor. E minor is the relative minor of G major, and G major and E minor both have F sharp as key signature accidental. So you see I've prefixed F sharp at the beginning. Next is you are writing an ascending scale. So your scale degrees should go from 1 to 8. It's ascending, as you can see. I started on note E and I'm going to end on E. This is my last note, E. Remember, it is ascending. So it goes from 1 to 8. Now, it is harmonic. Harmonic means raise the 7th degree by adding a sharp to it. Even though it is not part of the question, but let's assume you were asked to slur the semitones. You are going to slur degrees 2/3, 5/6, 7/8. All harmonic minor scales are slurred the same. In the ascending scale, 2/3, 5/6, 7/8. Let's take another question from Muson exam, May 2020. The question says, write the following scale as directed. Put the correct accidentals to make the minor scale starting on A. Ascending, put the tonic triad. Let's highlight the requirements. Correct accidentals. That means do not use key signature. And your scale should start on A. It should be ascending, and then write the tonic triad. Remember, tonic triads are triads built on the first degree of the scale, that is the first note of the scale. So you'll be needing the tonic, the third above the tonic, the fifth above the tonic. So let's proceed. So remember, your scale should be ascending and it should go from A to A. That's my first note. So I proceed. Do not omit any line or space, and that will take you to another A. Ensure you have 8 notes. Now that is my 8th note. You see, my starting note is A, my last note, which is note 8, is A. So it's an ascending scale 1 to 8 as usual. Now, what about the accidentals? A minor does not have any key signature accidental because it is the relative minor of C major. This question did not actually say we should write a harmonic scale, but since we are dealing with harmonic minor scales, I would rather we show it as harmonic. And a scale is harmonic when the 7th degree is raised. If you raise the 7th degree, which is G, you will have G sharp. Let's work on the tonic triad. Remember, it's built on the tonic, the first note in the scale. So you go 1, 3, and 5. Let's start that. You'll be having A, C, and E. Let's assume you are asked to slur the semitones. Since this is a harmonic scale, you are slurring degrees 2/3, 5/6, 7/8. Best of luck in your examination. Subscribe to e-Semplice YouTube channel for more videos. Many thanks for watching.